Right, you're excited to show this one, aren't you?
I really am, yeah.
Why? Without giving too much away, why are you excited?
Something is a girl's best friend. That's all I'll say for now.
Okay, that's great.
You picked this out though, Gav.
I did. It caught my eye.
Yes.
Let's get into it.
Let's show them. Hi guys, welcome back.
Good to be back. 3 on the spin for me. You haven't booted me out yet, Kaylie.
No, I'm loving having you do these with me.
Still working on having my nails done, don't you worry. I'll come in with a French manicure eventually, and we can talk about hair and nails.
There's a new nail place here, by the way.
Excellent. I won't be queuing up for that. Now, once again, we have a magical green large size box.
Yes.
Now, I did pick this out because it caught my eye, and I thought to myself, I haven't seen one of these. Like, I've seen a variation of this, but I've not seen this one. So guys, for your viewing pleasure, what do we have here, Kaylie?
This is the Yacht-Master 40 Pave Diamond Set Dial, all factory.
So when I pulled this out of the drawers, I said to you and I said to Spencer, bloody hell, that looks absolutely beautiful. Rose gold, is this an aftermarket bezel? You know, how does this sort of work? And you said to me, no, Gav.
Factory.
That is factory. And let me tell you, I am not a fan of Yacht-Masters at all.
You know.
And I love this. There is something about it that I think is so femininely elegant for sort of a medium-sized watch. What size is this?
This is 40.
It's a 40 mil.
But I will be honest, it might just be me, I don't know what your thoughts are. I feel because of the diamonds, it just makes, I don't know if it just makes it look a little bit smaller than a 40.
Does,
I think
does.
Because it's not, because there's so much going on.
Yeah, because there's so much, and also it literally speaks to you. Once again, on the bezel, we've got this sort of fluted style. Then you've got this sort of matte finish on the outer ring.
Which that matte on the bezel with the oyster flex it looks great.
Yeah, it really does. I mean, it really sets it off beautifully. For me, the design of the case, I think, looks absolutely stunning. And, you know, even from sort of the shoulders of the strap going all the way down to the crown is just beautifully finished. And I absolutely love that. I'm going to take it off and put it on because I don't see the point of having these watches if you can't throw them on the wrist. I know you and Janilda are always very respectful, obviously, to the watches. But I want to see how it feels and looks. And obviously, it's actually going to fit me. Oh my goodness. If I tell you, the watches I've tried on, this one fits absolutely beautifully. And I'm a fella, obviously. How do you think that looks on me?
I actually think
could I rock this? Could I work this?
Of course.
I really like that.
I really like that.
I mean, let's be honest. I think for a boy, this is a little bit on the ostentation side. But on you, Kaylie, this could be an absolute winner. Let me pop it on your wrist.
Pop it on my wrist, Gav.
Looking at the dial itself, what also I love about this is that all of the numbers are all encased in diamonds as well, aren't they?
Yes.
So it's a full pave across, is that the right word? Pave?
Yeah.
Pave?
I don't know if I'm saying it, like that is what it's called. It's literally spelled P-A-V-E.
Yeah,
but
pave. Yeah, pave diamond set.
Just very English and Ilda would tell me off that I'm saying it incorrectly.
Yeah. But on you, I think that looks absolutely amazing. So I'm going to put that down on your Christmas wish list.
Yeah.
Would you be loving that one?
Do you know what? I would.
Now, a watch like that is not going to come with a small price tag. Number 1, because it's rose gold. Number 2, because it's got diamonds.
Yeah.
How much is that going to set me back?
That is 47.5.
47,500 spondulis.
Yeah.
Okay, and what year is that?
That is 2021.
Wow, it's in amazing condition, isn't it? As are, to be fair, all the watches that come through here.
But this is, I mean, it's unreal. I'm a little bit.
It is beautiful.
Do you know what I mean? I think when people think of factory diamond set Rolex, they think of the rainbow or the eye of the tiger.
Yeah.
They don't necessarily think of this lovely piece. It wouldn't necessarily come into their mind, but...
Not that I want to be controversial, but that eye of the tiger for me is the ugliest watch I've ever seen.
What, on the bracelet?
Just the ugliest watch I've ever seen. I know why people buy them, because they're collectible, but I just don't see anybody wearing that. Let's pop that off for a second. I think for me also, Kaylie, the fact that it's on an Oyster Flex makes it so comfortable to wear.
Yes.
It has the grooves on the inside there that really sort of make it sit off your wrist just a little bit, allowing for a bit of air.
And also the comfiness. And I have to be honest, I think if this was on a bracelet, it wouldn't look nice.
I totally agree with you. I think it's the contrast of the diamond set, the matte black on the dial, and the rubber strap that really sort of sets it off. And actually, it's also the rose gold on the clasp.
That's what I was going to say.
Is sensational.
Yes.
And when we just clip that up, and we'll put it around the right way, and let's have a little look there. Beautiful, like really stunning.
This is actually lovely. It's lovely, isn't it?
Really, I mean, I could honestly sit and stare at it all day long. It really does. Yeah, it really does.
And also, Gav, could you imagine in like the sunlight, them diamonds?
Yeah, and it's absolutely stunning, stunning piece. So £47,500. Kaylie is on the website.
It's on the website. Yep. So they can give us a call whenever. Come and try it on, ladies.
And we'll see you then on the next
unboxing.
Bye
Bye
now.